score like that?
That's really good thing. We need those players who can score when we need important goals. So really good.
You sit next to Mikko Koskinen here in the room. How good is he playing, and what is he like?
He played now really good, and that's the one key how we can win in games. So I'm happy with he played that good.
What kind of a guy is he? What's he like? Is he helping you?
Yeah, we are good friends, and he's right there against me. So we can speak Finnish sometimes. So that's a good thing.
A couple games for you. How do you think it's going?
I think I play better now, so I have good line mates and we can score and defense too. So yeah, good.
What has Ken Hitchcock said he wants to see from you?
I think he want to skate good and forecheck, then good things happen.
Good.
Yeah.
Thanks, Jesse.
Yes, sorry, kind of joined late here. How did it feel to kind of get your second of the season at the early on?
I think that's one goal the game, and that's helped us to win, and we win today. So really good.
Excellent. And how much of a comfortability does it have to play with Mikko and him playing very well as well?
Yeah, I think that's the one key how we can win these kind of games. We're really tight and 3-2 and couple good. So yeah.
Great. Excellent.
Yeah.